Hello friends, this is Veronica, and you know what time it is. It's cafecito time, and we're back to cafecito time for 2022. So stick around for more reviews. Today's video, we are going to talk about the new, highly anticipated, everyone's been waiting for, double espresso dolce. Nespresso only had 2 double espressos, which everyone seems to love, and they finally came out with a new one. So let's see what it's all about. Double espresso dolce is an intensity 5, 2.7 ounces, so 2 shots of espresso. Aromatic notes, toasted cereal. Okay, I already know I'm gonna like it because if you watch my videos, you know a lot of my favorite coffees have been the ones with toasted cereal notes. Let's see what it has to say. The sweet life. Double espresso dolce embodies the sweet life. Mild and smooth, and Uganda Robusta balances out the sweet profile of the blends of Latin America, with delicious multi-toasted notes. Ooh, let's see. Delicious multi-toasted cereal notes gives you a taste of sweet life in a smooth, mild blend. Looks very, very nice. Okay, so let's open it up. I ordered this a couple days ago and it came in, and I've been waiting to try it so I could make a video and show you guys. I haven't tried it yet. I wanted to have not tried it yet. I wanted to wait to show you guys on camera. So this is the box, you know, typical black box with the name. And yeah, this, let's see, this was $11, I think. So, you know, about the same price. No, wait a minute. $10, so $1 a capsule, $10. Not too bad. Let's open it up, and it's a pretty kind of coppery ombre color capsule. You guys could see that, you know, standard Nespresso, double espresso dolce. Excited to try it. Okay, so I'm gonna brew just a capsule by itself to taste it, and then let's add some milk, maybe make it ice, we'll see. Okay, so thanks everyone for all your comments from the last video I made, letting you know basically what happened, why I had not been making videos for a couple months, but I'm hoping to get back to our cafecito time because I really did miss making videos and chatting with you guys about our beloved coffee and espresso. Let's see what it smells like. So I know a couple people have made videos, and when I saw their videos, I was like, oh my God, I need to try it. I can't wait anymore. Oh, you know what? It smells a little sweet, and I know dolce means like sweet in Italian, I believe. So it does have a little bit of a sweetness to it. Let's see. So if you've already tried this one, let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if you liked it, if you didn't like it. I've been hearing some pretty good things from other people on Instagram, and other reviews about it. So let's taste it. So there you go. That's your typical crema for the Nespresso. You know what? It does smell a little sweet. Ooh. Okay, let's taste it. Let me mix it up a little bit because a lot of people say it's better to mix it up a little bit and then try it. And you know what? I didn't do my temperature test. I keep forgetting. I know some people always ask. So let's see. So right now 137, I should have tested it as it came out, but 137 is the temp for this? 137 degrees. So give you an idea. Okay, let's taste it. Okay, it's pretty smooth. It says it's only a 2 of bitterness, 2 roastiness, acidity, and body are all a 2. I'm still not quite sure what all those levels mean, but you know. Okay, pretty smooth. I like it. It doesn't really have a sweet taste, but the aroma, the scent is a little bit on the sweet side. Ooh, I like it. It's good. It's not too intensity 5, so not too light, not too strong and bold. So I think this is going to be popular for the people that kind of like a more medium smooth coffee. Oh yeah. Okay, so let's try it with milk. So here I have just a little bit of half and half. I'm going to pour in here, because we all know when you add a little creamer or milk, it's going to make it taste a little bit different. And I know a lot of people like to use the double shot of espresso for lattes, especially iced lattes. Yeah, this definitely is very smooth, very, I don't want to say mild, but on the little bit more lighter side. It's good. I like it. I'm glad to have another option in the double espresso. Okay, let's try ice, because I know a lot of people love iced lattes. So let's make another one. And this time, let's see, I'll take the temperature of it as it comes out. Okay, I'm going to use this glass for my iced latte. And when I make my lattes, I don't like to pour it over the ice. I like to make the espresso and then put the ice in there. So, but you know, everybody has their own way of making it. Okay, so let's see. I'll put it in there. See. So the other one I said it was 137 because it had been a couple of seconds since I, you know. Ooh, okay. 150, 152. Looks like it's holding steady at 152. So that's pretty hot. $151. I know one of the complaints people have is that sometimes these coffees aren't as hot. Stop. So, but that's pretty hot to me. Okay, so we have our double espresso. I'm going to add some ice. If I can get it out. Okay, 1 ice. I made these a little, not too long ago, so they're not super duper frozen. So let's see. We'll add 2 and then we'll try another one. Okay. Milk. Let's try some milk. I don't have my little, Okay, you guys, I haven't made a video in a couple weeks, so excuse my Excuse my clumsiness on camera, which is nothing new. Okay, so double shot of double Espresso Dolce. I have some ice in there. I'm probably gonna need another one. Okay, one more ice and some milk. And you know what else I'm gonna need that I wasn't prepared with is a straw. Where are my straws? Okay, iced latte with double espresso dolce and some milk. Mix it up. Ooh, this one's a winner, you guys. If you love iced lattes, definitely try the double espresso dolce. Ooh. I was gonna add some syrup or flavor, but you know what? Doesn't need it. Doesn't need it. I mean, you can if that's what you like, but this is good. Ooh, this one's the winner, you guys. Definitely try it out. I think it's a good addition to the Nespresso coffee family, and yeah, for sure, try it out before it sells out. It's not limited edition from what I've read. It's part of like the permanent coffee collection, but it might sell out and then you have to wait for the restock. So order it. It's good. Make your iced lattes. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. I had talked about doing a giveaway for to celebrate our hitting 2,000 subscribers, which I will do, but then I was remembering February will also be my YouTube anniversary, so we're gonna wait till next month of February to do a 3-year YouTube channel anniversary and 2K subscriber celebration. So I'm still working on the giveaway, but it'll be next month, so keep watching, subscribe. Oh, and also you guys, Nespresso has a new referral program, so I'm gonna leave Mike, I'll put up the little thing here, the little shot, the picture. But if you use my referral code, you could get $40 off of a machine, which is a pretty good deal. And for using my code, I'll get $10 off my next coffee purchase. So that's pretty good. You win, I win, we all win. So you guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Like I said, I need to get back into the rhythm of making videos, but thanks everyone for all your nice comments in my last video. Don't forget to subscribe. Be on the lookout for more videos and the giveaway coming soon. If you're new to Nespresso and interested in buying a machine, whether you have one and you want the other one, because you know eventually we all want both original and virtual machines. So yeah, go ahead and use my code to get a nice little discount. Try the double espresso dolce. It's a winner. I really liked it. I just put 2% milk, ice, and that's it. You know, I might add a little flavoring, but honestly, it's a winner. Okay, that's it. I'm done. Everyone, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon for some more cafecito time. Bye.